to draw a mug of love. A mug of love, what is that all about? Okay, we're going to start up at the top with an ellipse. Okay, it's just a mug that says I love you on it. Okay, so, and then we're going to draw like an inside almost ellipse, and that can just fade away into little dots at the top. And then we're going to come straight down and straight down. And then we're going to join those two at the bottom with a curve. And we want another curve up there. So that's the actual, I don't know, tea, coffee, love potion, I don't know. And then we need a handle as well. So draw the handle and a little blob at the bottom like that. And that can come around and down there. And then you might find it easy to draw little curves like that, and maybe one there and one there, and that'll give you something to work to. So we're going to want to have I, so get the thickness that you want, and then we want these little blobby bits like that. So these are called serifs, and then we want to have a heart, I, heart, you. And I think this whole I heart thing started with New York. I think it was I heart NY. I think that's what started it. And they chose this typeface which had this style to it. And it's like an old typewriter style, very old-fashioned. So get the thickness you want and then put those little blobby bits on there, which are going to be the serifs. And I don't think this is going to fit, so I'm going to do a small O. I'm going to go to lowercase now, and let's draw a U. It's going to come around there, and we'll make that a thickness like that, and then we'll put a little serif in there too. Then, if you've done the pencil trick, when you are sure that the ink is dry, you can wait a little bit and then erase those pencil lines, and no one will know how you got it so accurate. And we can maybe put a little bit of shadow in there, and two little bits like that will give you some shadow inside as well. And you could maybe have some steam coming off as well like that. All you need to do now is colour it in. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can come back and draw lots more stuff with me. You can also join me on Patreon to get colouring sheets and lots more. Bye.